Be prepared. This reminder is brought to you by Department of Education. Daddy, I can't breathe properly.
You'll get better soon, baby.
Coronavirus symptoms are fever, joy, cough, and tiredness. Stay at home and be safe. This reminder brought to you by Department of Health and this station.
We're back!
News with no bias.
News with no exemption. This is BED 1.1, the voice of Esa Tungawan, your news, our business.
The effects of the COVID-19 vaccines. Ms. Romaisa Jalana give us the details.
COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccines that are granted with emergency use authorization EUA by the Philippine Food and Drug Administration FDA are considered safe and effective based on the available evidence to date. Vaccines are some of the most rigorously tested medical products to date, and the COVID-19 vaccines are no different. Vaccines mimic the virus or bacteria that causes disease and triggers the body's creation of antibodies. These antibodies will provide protection once a person is infected with the actual disease-causing virus or bacteria. Vaccines differ their composition and how they trigger the immune response to create antibodies. These antibodies protect the body from microorganisms and serve as protection once a person gets infected with disease. Vaccines can be inactivate, weakened, or killed copies of the whole or part of the virus or bacteria, or genetic product like mRNA vaccines that creates protein copies without causing disease. That's all the details. Back to you guys.
BED 1.1, the voice of Esa Tungawan, your news, our business. For the international news, Iceland had the highest COVID-19 vaccination rate in Europe. Raihana Bamuhid gives the details.
COVID-19 vaccination rate in European countries as of November 2021. As of November 25, 2021, Iceland had the highest COVID-19 vaccination rate in Europe, having administered 185.63 doses per 100 people in the country, while Malta had administered 182.08 doses per 100. The UK was the first country in Europe to approve the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine for the widespread use and began inoculation on December 8, 2020, and so far have administered 166.36 doses per 100. At the latest data, Denmark had carried out 165.89 doses for vaccines per 100 population. Russia became the first country in the world to authorize a vaccine named Sputnik V for the use in the fight against COVID-19 in August 2020. As of November 25, 2021, Russia had administered 84.33 doses per 100 people in the country. The 7-day rate of cases across Europe shows an ongoing perspective of which countries are worse affected by the virus relative to their population. That's all the update. Back to you guys.
BED 1.1, the voice of Esa Tungawan, your news, our business.
For the showbiz news, Blackpink Lisa diagnosed with COVID-19 plus other members test negative. Miss Aliyah Taday give us an update.
Chika Minute Update. Blackpink's Lisa diagnosed with COVID-19 plus other members test negative after Blackpink's Lisa tested positive for COVID-19. YG Entertainment shared that Jisoo, Rosie, and Jennie have tested negative. Here's YG Entertainment's new statement released. Following the real-time RT-PCR test, Blackpink's Jisoo, Rosie, and Jennie have received negative confirmed results. Lisa was informed of her confirmed diagnosis on November 24 ahead of plans to film video content. Lisa's health is in good state and she did not exhibit any special symptoms. All 4 members of Blackpink have been completely vaccinated for COVID-19, and the company and their artists have been paying special attention to our health and safety through regular preemptive tests. We wish Lisa a quick recovery, and we will continue to earnestly cooperate with the health authorities, epidemiological investigations, and take all possible measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19. That's all the updates. Back to you guys.
That's all the news for this day.
News with no bias.
News with no exemption.
This is BED 1.1, the voice
The voice
of Esa Tungawan.
Your news, our business.